Hello, and welcome to another drawing video. Today we'll draw in some simple steps, a living room. Stay with us to learn, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit a like. Let's start with the table. Draw an oval, and add the table legs. This will be our simple table. I am drawing a table with 3 legs, but you can add more. Don't have to copy everything, let your fantasy drive you. Fix the details, and now can continue with the carpet. Draw a straight line, parallel with the table. This will be one side of the carpet. You can use a ruler if you want, so you can do the line perfectly straight. Now I am drawing 2 lines, in an angle a little bit larger than 90 degrees, to create the illusion of 3-dimensional painting. The carpet looks perfect for the moment, but later we will add more details. Now let's draw the couch. I am drawing a straight line, parallel with the carpet, to make the bottom part of the couch. Now I'm doing the side of the couch. I will make them simple, but you can do like you want, just be creative. Now the right side. Now that we have structured the couch, we draw the cushions. First start off with the horizontal ones. I decided to make 3 of them. Then draw 3 other vertical cushions. We're almost over with the couch, we just draw some pillows for extra touch. You can get creative here, but I only made the for simple ones. Time to decorate. On the left side of the couch, I wanted to add a plant, so begin draw the vase, and one by one, draw leaves randomly, until we get the results that we like. On the right side, I am gonna make lamp, which is super easy to draw. All you need to do is draw the 3 main shapes that the lamp is made of. A big cube at the top held to straight lines for the 2 that holds it, 1 circle, and 1 bigger half circle at the bottom for the base of the lamp. Now, it's time for the walls to be decorated. You can draw whatever you want here. However, I'm going to keep it simple and draw a clock and the some picture frames. To draw the clock, all you need to do is draw 2 circles, one inside of another, with not much distance, like I'm doing on the video, and obviously, the minute and the hour hand. For the picture frames, I'm making them rectangular and positioning them symmetrically to each other. We're almost finished. Time to add details, like Shadow's little lines, where we think they need to be added. And we can overline with a darker pencil to cover up any mistakes that we could have made during the process. This is the finished drawing. I hope you like it, and if you do, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see to the next videos. And I'll see you soon. Bye.